Persistent drainage issues plagued a local primary school, causing blockages and backed-up sewage. Swift action was needed to resolve these issues to protect the children from harm. A sophisticated CCTV drain survey was crucial to understanding the issues and making a plan to resolve them. Our engineers were engaged to complete extensive high-pressure water jetting and a thorough CCTV drain survey to clean the lines and assess the damage before making a comprehensive plan of action. A full plan was created with all works to be completed over a 3-day period. They established that a full excavation and installation of pipework was needed to restore the flow of the drains. This was also required swiftly before the children returned to school after the holidays. Our specialist excavation team set to work to excavate the area and remove the damaged pipe. They then installed a patch to repair an area of pipework, as well as installed new drainage pipework in areas which couldn't be repaired. Once the works were completed, our team ensured to restore the ground exactly as it was before and remove all waste from the site. They then completed another thorough CCTV survey of the new lines to ensure they were set up correctly, with no issues detected. Seamless teamwork was key to the success of this job. Without our team working efficiently to complete the work over the 3-day period, the pupils in the school could have been at risk. The client was pleased with the sophistication of the work completed, especially knowing their pupils will be safe. By choosing our coordinated excavation and installation services, you'll ensure seamless operations and peace of mind. Contact us today to see how we can help keep your systems running smoothly.